Okay, you guys, we have a fun project. The client's name is Andrew, sent from Sephora, a beauty junkie.
Okay.
I got a little sneak peek of a video. Let's dive into it.
Press play, babes.
Hello, my name is Andrew Montoya. I'm 26 years old and I currently live in Santa Clarita, California, and I have a big obsession with makeup.
Cute.
Since I was a little boy, I used to run to my mom's bathroom and try on all her lipsticks.
Wait, why is this gonna make me want to cry?
I know.
I am just starting my career in makeup.
This is my clutter of makeup. I also have just a small little bucket of makeup stuff.
We're getting rid of the bucket.
This is bad. Like, this is all just for me. Here I have more eyeshadow palettes from other brands.
He's used an ottoman as a placeholder for all of his palettes.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Oh no. I feel like this is gonna be a tough edit.
I agree.
This is gonna be hard.
Okay, this one does make me nervous.
Just rip off the Band-Aid.
I mean, we obviously have it.
We gotta
can
do it. We got it.
Yeah.
I'm Caitlin.
I like your jacket.
Yeah, we're kind of like matching. We are in a similar vibe.
Be right here.
Yes.
Have a seat.
Have you ever worked with an organizer before? Like,
No,
are
I've
you...
never worked with an organizer.
Okay, and are you a little nervous at all?
I'm very nervous. A
Okay.
little bit. Just so y'all to see what I have in my room and all that.
Is it a lot?
Yeah.
That's a yes. I feel like the high octave, that was an octave that's like a little scared.
How are you feeling about maybe having to get rid of some things?
I'm very scared of getting rid of some of my products.
I'm gonna have Bryce and Sophia start to categorize all your makeup, like put all your blushes together, all the mascaras. If they come out with like this whole table full of blush, I'm gonna be like, Andrew, you have one face. Where are we wearing all this blush? I'm gonna work with you on how to edit. I'll give you some pointers. It will not be scary, I promise you.
As long as you guys don't bite.
We might a little bit, but not too hard. I'm in the room like, keep that on. Oh no, but we'll be okay.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
We're getting you excited.
Yeah.
Even more excited about getting ready.
Y'all can start now if you guys want. I'm like, don't be shy.
This is a
Okay.
session.
Yes. Okay, welcome.
Oh my gosh, pink.
Pink.
I know.
Oh yeah,
the
okay, this is a
pink.
lot of pink. Wait, and the bedding.
Yup, you already know the vibe. This is a little chaotic. I get ready for work every single day. You know, I like to glue my makeup, do all that stuff.
Okay, someone likes House Labs.
Here's a little secret. Lady Gaga actually liked and saw my TikTok video.
No way.
Yeah.
I would've
I literally cried.
I give all of these 1,000 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Go buy you a pair. These are all amazing.
Doesn't seem like there's method to the madness for this Vanity right now.
Yeah.
That's what we're here to do. So I think you and I should just start to edit.
I think so,
While
too.
they bring us the
Okay.
categories.
I'll call Gaga real quick just to make
call
sure.
Gaga
Please.
and
Just get
make
some
sure.
ideas.
Yes.
Yeah.
When did you start getting into makeup? What do you use makeup for?
I started really getting into makeup around like 2017, 18.
Okay.
I started off very light, just mascara.
I was about to say, did you go
Yeah.
straight to like a hot pink?
No.
Like,
Here, give it to me in my feet. Thunder thighs.
Growing up, I always admire women. I loved how makeup looked on them. So
Right.
when I turned 18, I was finally able to put on makeup on myself. And then I started doing other people's makeup. I like to do
are you
it.
doing that for like a job? Like, are people? Are
I like
you...
a side job.
Got
Yeah,
it,
I'm
got
just
it.
starting though. I just started it.
What I'm noticing is there's a lot of the same brand, a lot of the same shades, and then some really unique brands. Like this has spider webs on it, and it's never been used. So I'm not sure how much he's gonna get rid of.
The thing is, it's all pretty new, so I think it's gonna be a little bit tricky.
You're a little like sentimental with your makeup.
Yeah. I love Lady Gaga. She actually helped me get into makeup.
Wait, because of her line?
Yeah, because of House
Wait,
Labs.
this is so cute.
Yeah.
How do I get her to like hear this conversation? Is there a
Call
little
her
flammable maybe?
I hope
Imagine
so.
she just walks in, I would faint.
I would cry.
Babes.
Oh, hot? Oh God. Okay, what?
I see my favorite palette.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
Are they all your favorite though?
Most of them are, but the pink one is my all-time favorite.
This one's like a Bible.
Yeah.
Wait, that's actually kind of
It's
That's what
so
I'm wearing
iconic.
today.
And it's pink.
Yeah.
Darlings, I'll be back with a box. If you need me, holler.
I definitely like to explore when I get my palettes. So these are like the trial to error palettes. I haven't used this one in a while.
I
So
think that's a sign. Hi.
Oh.
And this is you.
It can't
But
go
this
against
is,
Haus
but
Labs.
honestly, you've shown this palette respect.
Just one swatch on the eye, you're ready to go.
Wait, that is really pretty.
That's
So
what
this
I'm
is a
saying.
keep,
Yeah,
right?
I'll keep that. No, we should get rid of it. I don't have a good excuse.
I thought you wanted
I'm
it.
learning, I'm learning.
Okay, we're moving on to lip.
To make this quicker, do I take all the Haus Labs and just put them in the yes?
Some of them are old.
Okay.
These are the ones that Lady Gaga saw me in. So I think I want to keep these because these have a special place in my heart.
You know what?
They're very
I'm not a big sentimental person, but this one I understand. I'm giving it to you.
Thank you, I
I'm giving
appreciate
to
it.
you.
We can put this one in there too.
Palette.
P-A-L-E-T-T-E-S.
I'm gonna let you know in just a moment. Wooden palette. P-A, it's gonna be the same thing, and I'll make sure. Makeup palette. Oh no, it's different. You had it right from the top, love. No more self-doubt.
Wait, is everything gonna fit?
Yes.
How do we feel about that?
For
amazing.
sure, and especially because he edited. And
He did a really good job.
I mean,
love it.
honestly, should he just join our team at this point? Because it's like everything is cohesive.
Yes.
It's the same brand.
He
It's
definitely
nice.
he gets
like,
the assignment 100%.
Totally.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have you close your eyes.
They're
All right,
closed.
darling.
Grab my hand.
Okay. I'm scared.
Don't be
I don't know what I'm
scared.
walking into.
Open.
Oh my gosh! Wow, it looks so nice! I love it! Oh my gosh!
It's so
All my
big.
highlighters? Okay.
Everything has a little.
Like what the heck? I'm so in shock. Oh, you guys stacked it so nice too. Thanks, guys.
If you open your little drawer here, all of your
Here it
palettes
is.
are lined up.
Nice. You guys literally just made this whole thing look great.
And the best part about these type of organizing supplies is that you can kind of mix and match. So what if
Yeah.
you're like, okay, I actually want my mascaras to be up there or my lashes to be up there. You can play around with it.
Yeah.
So don't feel like
Oh my
this has to be like the
God.
set places.
I'm in love. Oh, this
And
looks
it
so much better.
I know.
And she spins like a record player. Okay.
We do have one little surprise for you.
More surprise though.
Just one more.
I can't
You
take
did an
it.
incredible job editing today. You've been such a light to be around.
Yeah,
You made it our job so freaking easy. But Sephora and us did a little thingy thing.
I cannot, guys. Can't do surprises. I can't.
Are you bad
I
with
can't.
surprises? Oh, then you're really not
My
gonna
heart
like
is
this.
so light.
It's just so
Oh my gosh! Is there more bags? Just bags and bags?
So it's 3 little bags. But
Yeah.
they're very heavy.
I know that we got rid of kind of a lot of brushes,
Right.
but now you have some more. Here you go.
Thank you.
And then a blush.
Girl, we love blush.
No, this is like
Three,
red gelatin.
two,
I'm obsessed.
one. All the goodies.
Insane. It's
Shut
so much.
up.
And
Thank
it's
you.
good stuff, babe.
Wait, is that Haus Labs? Oh wait, hold up. Huda Beauty? Stop.
All the good stuff, babe.
You guys are so sweet. Thank you, guys. Oh, I appreciate it.
I like cannot wait to shock your page and like see all these makeup looks that you come out
You
with.
already know I'm about to go ham
Yes.
on all these products. Thank you. You guys can come by anytime you guys want.
Anytime.
Okay, the door
I
is
love
much
you.
open. Love you too,
Yes.
guys.
Enjoy opening all your products.
I will. Take us to
Repeat after me.
Okay.
Gaga.
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 Oh, I feel it.
Spirit, Bryce, ready to go.